Gusto nyo ba makakita ng dragon? This is a real-life dragon. These guys are probably not what you were expecting when you think of a dragon, but they are a very interesting lizard, the Philippine forest dragon. What makes it different from other lizards is kakaiba yung head shape niya. Kita mo na medyo may pagka-angle yung ulo niya, which is also why it's called an angle-headed lizard. And it has those crests on top of the head.
The lizards in this genus, Gonocephalus, are also known as angle-headed lizards because of their distinctive head shape. Naka-angle ang kanilang ulo and mapapansin niyo ito lalo na from the side. Dito pa lang makikita mo na kakaibang itsura niya from other lizards. This angular head shape also helps them camouflage with their surroundings because it can look like the rough surfaces of tree bark and branches, and it also creates little shadows that make it harder for other animals to see them.
You can see sometimes they're green or sometimes they're brown. They really just disappear into their environment, especially when they're staying still like that. You almost miss them.
This is most likely a Philippine endemic, meaning dito lang sa Pilipinas nakikita. But right now, there's still a lot of studies being done, especially regarding their taxonomy.
But they are very interesting species, one that's not often talked about. They have a diet of mostly insects. They are insectivores. So they play a huge role in our environment in controlling pests and in balancing, of course, the ecosystem. They are diurnal, so they're active during the day. So those cute eyes, round eyes, we usually find in diurnal animals, of course. And look at that long tail. Now, of course, we have to be careful. You don't want to handle it. We don't want to stress it out too much. And we also don't want to cause its long, beautiful tail to drop. But this is really such a beautiful animal, isn't it? Now, if you see this in the forest, don't worry because to us humans, they are harmless. Unless you're an insect, they are harmless.
Sa gubat, minsan nakikita sila sa puno, minsan sa ground. Pero sila ay napaka-chill lang na hayop. As they say, very demure, very mindful, and when you encounter them, they will just stay still and try to blend in. So there's no reason for you to be afraid.
Huwag kayong mag-alala, they are non-venomous, wala silang kamandag, and they are not poisonous as well. Let's protect the Philippine forest dragon because every piece of wildlife matters.